Oh, good morning, YouTube. Well, gonna head down to Highlands this morning, and no, it's not to buy a Duramax pickup truck. I need to get oil and filter for this truck, so I gotta go get a Hortons first because I require that type of fluid for myself to run as well. And we'll see you guys in a little bit. Been thinking about our giveaway too here for a minute. We were, I think I'm at 983 subscribers, so we're getting real close to that 1,000. And I've been thinking that, well, I've already done a John Deere. I did the S690 about this time last year, and then I already did a case, giveaway. So I think we're gonna try for something of the AGCO variety, I do believe. I'm kind of thinking it might be the Toy Farmer Alistrom. I think it's a 440, whatever one they did last year for the National Farm Toy Show. That's what I'm kind of thinking it might be, but why don't you guys write in the comment box down below what you guys think we should do for a giveaway, because I was going to do a poll on Instagram, but I just haven't quite figured out how to do that just yet, because, you know, I'm busy all the time. So anyway, you guys give me your input on that, then when we hit 1,000 subs, we'll have our little giveaway here. Alrighty, well, I got my oil and filter, so I run Dexos full synthetic in the truck, and I run a GM oil filter. And the reason why you always run a factory filter is because there's a bypass valve in there, so that way if the filter plugs up, your motor doesn't run out of oil. And sometimes the aftermarket filters, they go at different pressures, so I always run a factory filter anyway, and I never have any problems. So that Duramax still sitting over there. It's just in the front line there now. I'll tell you one thing, like I said in the last video, you get that diesel engine and there'll be no more $42 oil change, that's for sure. So 6 liters of oil and a new filter and you're good to go. Well, I guess the same process for a diesel, but just a shit ton more oil. Get back home, just gathered up some tools and whatnot to drop the oil out of the truck. Already have the drain pan and whatnot there, so just need the creeper here. Creeper as in mechanics creeper, not some that stocks people. So anyway, what was I gonna say? That's what I was gonna say. I just got back from Princess Auto too. Of course, I got Princess Auto again, so I need another bucket to put the waste oil into because I've already got 5 gallons that was stored in the backyard there. So next time I go down to the farm, I'll take that down. They can have it for the stable cleaner. So anyway, I'll try to get you guys a shot of change some oil here. So it's kind of dark underneath here, but you need a 15 mil wrench. So doesn't need to be cranked on there within an inch of its life, so you just need to be snug enough not to leak. It's also why I like doing it myself, because I used to work in a dealership, and you see guys, you know, you swear they're gonna put a big torque wrench on and torque these things in there, which you don't really need to do. So there it is. There, that's the new O2 sensor I had to put in the truck there a couple weeks ago. Look at that. 2 weeks, it's already starting to rust on the little nut there. Oh, there you go. So anyway, I'll let that drain out for a bit. The truck's obviously still nice and hot, so the oil will come out nice and quick. Oil filter on the other side. I've got the oil filter wrench there ready to go. I might not be able to get that on camera because I need 2 hands, but yeah, I'll give it a shot. I cracked the oil filter and I just kind of spun a little bit and let that drain out for a second. Then I'll spin her off. You also want to make sure the dealership gave you the right filter too, because I've had that happen before as well. There, let that drain out so I'm not making a big mess on the ground. Okay, hopefully I can get the shot here for you guys, alright? There's a new filter. And before you put that on there, you want to take a little bit of oil. Just put it on the gasket. So that helps to seal it. So just like that, you just need a little film on there. You can use new oil, old oil. Doesn't really matter. I just want to thread her up on there like so. I know I'm looking at the ground right now. If you just hit the camera creeper. Come on, focus, focus. Right up there. So you want to get that tight. Just hand tight's fine. You don't want to use an impact gun or anything stupid like that. There. Just use a rag and give you a little bit of extra grip. There. Then you want to put your drain plug back in and tighten that up, which is pretty straightforward to do. I wasn't even going to bother getting this shot for you guys because, well, I figured it'd probably bore most of you watching someone pour engine oil into an engine, but, you know, it is part of the step, and probably the most important step of doing your oil change. I forgot to put the new stuff back in. I have misplaced my funnel, so I have no idea where that's at, but should be able to get the pour pretty easily. Done it enough times, I guess. So like I said, this truck takes 6 of these, so I already got 5 in it. It's like, I mean, to do this oil change at the dealership, I used to take my truck to the dealership all the time. It'd be almost $85 for the full synthetic oil. Like I said, the parts were $42 for me to do it myself in the driveway, so save yourself a little bit of money. And saving money is always a good thing. So that's the 6th one there. I've already cleaned up my mess underneath the truck as well. I just took some brake clean and sprayed down the cross member and the sway bar and whatnot. So I'm already to start the truck now. So 6 liters of oil. Hopefully I can get it on camera there, right? You're on there just perfectly. So good to go for another 5,000 K. Well, I checked the tire pressures and the fluids in the truck too as well, but I guess it's time to wash up for lunch and whatnot. Oh. Maybe Tide Pod challenge too? Nah. People are fools these days, eating Tide Pods and whatnot. They don't even realize the electrical box is full of red and black licorice as well. Okay, well, the day kind of got away on me yesterday. It's Sunday morning now. I guess I should finish up this video. My mom's birthday there yesterday, so I went to go celebrate that and whatnot, so I didn't really take the camera with me to do any of that stuff. But, well, I did happen to look last night for an Alice Chalmers 440 for a giveaway, and everywhere I looked, they're all sold out, so, it might be hard to come across, but I would need to find one sooner or later to go in with my Toy Farmer tractor lineup. So, I've got something else in mind for giveaway, but, you need to keep looking and whatnot too, so, I don't know, I don't want to give away too much about what I want to do for the giveaway, but at the same time, you know, what are you going to do about it? So, anyway, if you guys like what cheap was, comment, rate, subscribe, I'll get this edited up for you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.